In this video, we will discuss how can we connect our standalone runtime with Anypoint Runtime Manager. So first of all, we need to go to Anypoint platform, um, and in this Anypoint platform, we need to go to Runtime Manager. In this Runtime Manager, you see the name server. Click on Add Server. Copy this command because I'm working on Windows. So for Linux, you will copy all of those, but I'm working in Windows, so I will leave dot and the slash thing. I will do Control C, and I'm opening a notepad. So, so we need to change the server name. So I'm writing Mule dash node 1. So just for editing purpose, there was nothing else, nothing other reason to open the notepad plus plus. So I'm doing Control C now. I have just copied this, and after copying, what we need to do, we need to go to uh, the bin of our standalone runtime, and what we need to do is uh, open a CMD here. So okay. Okay, so okay, so it was creating some sort of problem for me to read this part, but this happens sometimes, so I just did it manually. Recording the video, I just paste that command, and I'm going to execute it now. So the agent deployed successfully. So I'm going back to the runtime manager and see my servers now. So I need to collect this. See, it's saying that there is one server, but it's not up and running. So what we need to do now is to go back to um, our standalone runtime again. And what we are doing now is going to see, this time it just work. So I'm just going to run mule.batch again. So it says server is deployed. So now let's see what's the status of our server. So it says our server is running. So it just worked. So in this way, you can register your server with Runtime Manager.